Equipped with world class facilities and a highly experienced team of professionals, TAL takes pride in being the solution provider to the manufacturing industry. In all its offerings, be it machine tools, conveyor systems, or tooling, the thrust is on providing a value proposition to the customer through cost effectiveness, innovation, and reliability. TAL constantly strives to offer its products with the latest technology. PKM, the parallel kinematic machines being the case in point. TAL has brought this technology to the Indian customer through its technological tie-up with Hexagon of Sweden. And yet again, TAL is launching its new 3R rigid, reliable, rapid series machines in this index. TAL constantly strives to offer its products with the latest technology. PKM, parallel kinematic machines being the case in point. TAL has brought this technology to the Indian customer through its technological tie-up with Hexagon of Sweden. TAL has also leveraged its mechatronics capabilities to provide low-cost automation solutions. It is now all set to launch its indigenously developed, cost-effective articulated robot. With its flexibility, low cost and reliability, we aspire to revolutionize automation in the MSME sector.
We have adopted new manufacturing concept. I2A stands for innovation, integration and automation. We are introducing completely indigenous 6-axis robot up to 10 kg payload which can be deployed for various ranges of industrial applications. These unique offerings will help customers to enhance productivity and quality.
As a part of the esteemed Tata Group, TAL shall continue to adopt the global best practices in management through the Tata Business Excellence model and shall also take pride in contributing to the society at large by participating in the CSR and AA activities. TAL shall continue to grow the businesses profitably and on a sustainable basis.